doctors and nurses do the best they can in this hospital made up of tents. It's been all that's available for more than 300,000 patients since Ecuador's worst earthquake in decades struck the coast 10 months ago. Here in Chone, there's a maternity ward, a blood bank and an operating theatre. But last November, the Chinese government stepped in with a $60 million donation.
Cooperation from the Chinese government is a show of solidarity with the Ecuadorian government, with the Ecuadorian people. We are thankful because possibly in 18 months, we can have a new hospital with all the modern technology of any hospital in the world.
Next year, patients like these may have more comfortable surroundings. This is what's left of the old hospital, which was destroyed in last year's earthquake. Now, thanks to a multi-million-dollar donation from the Chinese government, a new hospital is being built out of the ruins. Post-earthquake cooperation is an important part of China's presence in Ecuador. China has also provided financing to help build infrastructure, energy generation, and for the oil and mining sectors. That means big debts for Ecuador, under conditions, say analysts, about which there is little public information.
According to statistics which have been circulating, the Ecuadorian government is committed to credits from Chinese institutions for 2 more presidential terms. That means the room for public maneuver for the next president will be extremely limited.
According to El Universal newspaper, since 2008, Ecuador has officially borrowed at least $9 billion from China.
The role of China has been very strong because Ecuador, at some point before 2014, didn't have market access. Since then, Ecuador has issued different tranches of new debt, and the role of China has become slightly less important as before.
Speaking to CGTN, Ecuador's economy minister played down the importance of Chinese debt.
The importance of China in the Ecuadorian economy is only 1/3 of the external debt. Only 1/3. The other third is the international markets and bilateral and multilateral institutions. For instance, the Inter-American Development Bank, the IMF, the World Bank, and so on.
Opposition candidates pledged to further open Ecuador's economy to foreign investment. So if elected, that trend could increase. Whoever takes office in May, China will continue to play a big role in Ecuador's economy. Just how big is yet to be decided. Dan Collyns, CGTN, Quito.